Mosquitoes belong to the family Culicidae. They have been around for more than 30 million years. There are over 3,500 species of mosquitoes worldwide. Only female mosquitoes bite. They need blood for egg development. Male mosquitoes primarily feed on nectar and other plant-based sources. Mosquitoes are attracted to carbon dioxide, heat, and body odors. They can detect their hosts from up to 100 feet away. Mosquitoes have been found on every continent except Antarctica. Some mosquitoes can fly at speeds of up to 1.5 miles per hour. Mosquitoes have a short lifespan, typically living only 2–3 weeks. Mosquitoes have 6 long, thin legs. Their bodies are divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. They have 2 compound eyes and a pair of antennae. Mosquitoes can fly for several hours without resting. The female mosquito's proboscis is used to pierce the skin and extract blood. They have a specialized mouthpart called a labrum, which helps in blood feeding. Mosquito larvae are aquatic and develop in standing water. Larvae breathe through a siphon tube at the water's surface. Pupae are the non-feeding stage between larvae and adults. Mosquitoes are most active during dawn and dusk. Mosquitoes are responsible for transmitting diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika. Malaria alone causes hundreds of thousands of deaths annually. Female Anopheles mosquitoes are the primary vectors of malaria. Aedes mosquitoes transmit dengue and Zika viruses. Mosquito-borne diseases affect millions of people worldwide. Vector control is crucial in preventing disease outbreaks. Bed nets and insecticide-treated clothing help protect against mosquito bites. Mosquitoes can also transmit heartworm disease in dogs. A mosquito's saliva contains enzymes that prevent blood from clotting. Mosquitoes inject saliva into their hosts, causing itching and swelling. They feed for 3–4 minutes, taking about 0.0010.01 milliliters of blood. Some people are more attractive to mosquitoes due to genetics and body chemistry. Wearing dark-colored clothing can make you more appealing to mosquitoes. Mosquitoes can feed on a variety of animals, including birds and mammals. They can feed multiple times during their lifespan. Female mosquitoes require a blood meal for each batch of eggs. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in stagnant water. The eggs can hatch within 24–48 hours. Larvae feed on microorganisms and detritus in the water. The pupal stage lasts about 1–4 days. Adult mosquitoes emerge from pupae by splitting the pupal case. Mosquitoes can reproduce rapidly, leading to population explosions. They can lay hundreds of eggs in their lifetime. Temperature and humidity affect mosquito breeding rates. Some mosquito species prefer specific breeding habitats. Mosquitoes can detect infrared radiation to find warm-blooded hosts. They are known for their distinctive buzzing sound during flight. Mosquitoes can mate in midair. Males form swarms to attract females. Some mosquito species are crepuscular, active during twilight. Mosquitoes have evolved various strategies to survive in different environments. They can hibernate in cold weather to avoid freezing. Some species lay drought-resistant eggs that can survive desiccation. Mosquitoes have developed resistance to pesticides over time. They can adapt to urban environments, thriving in cities. Mosquitoes have excellent vision and can see polarized light. They use heat sensors on their antennae to locate blood vessels. Mosquitoes are sensitive to odors and can detect sweat and body odor. Carbon dioxide is a primary attractant for mosquitoes. They are known to prefer certain blood types. Mosquitoes are a crucial part of the food chain, serving as prey for birds and insects. Eliminating mosquitoes could disrupt ecosystems. They can also negatively impact livestock. Mosquitoes are responsible for substantial economic losses. Mosquito nets and screens are effective in keeping mosquitoes out. Insect repellents can help deter mosquito bites. Fogging and spraying are common mosquito control methods. Removing standing water reduces breeding sites. Genetically modified mosquitoes are being developed to control populations. Integrated pest management strategies are used for mosquito control. Mosquitoes have been mentioned in literature and folklore throughout history. They are sometimes associated with disease, death, and bad omens. Mosquito-borne diseases have influenced historical events. Mosquito-related art and sculptures exist in various cultures. Scientists study mosquitoes to understand disease transmission. Genetic research is used to modify mosquitoes to reduce disease transmission. Researchers are working on developing effective vaccines against mosquito-borne diseases. Mosquito monitoring programs help track disease outbreaks. Some mosquitoes are invasive species that disrupt local ecosystems. Invasive species can outcompete native mosquito species. They may introduce new diseases to areas where they are not native. Certain plants, like citronella and marigolds, can repel mosquitoes. Essential oils from these plants are used in natural mosquito repellents. Growing these plants in your garden can help reduce mosquito presence. Male mosquitoes use sound and wing beats to attract females. Courtship rituals can involve synchronized flying and vibrations. Mosquitoes communicate through wing beats and sounds. Females select mates based on their wing beat frequency. Some mosquito species are capable of long-distance migration. They can travel hundreds of miles, aided by wind currents. Migratory mosquitoes can spread diseases over vast distances. Mosquito-borne diseases are a global health concern.